Okay, we're going to cook that big egg. Let's see how big it is. Look at that, size of a duck egg, but it's a chicken egg.
Oh wow, double yolked.
Double yolk. So that large egg is a double yolk. Go ahead and do your thing. Yeah. 2 eggs and 4 yolks. 2 eggs, apparently, in each egg.
We'll get the other one out.
Let's see what's going on there. In big eggs like this, there's usually 2 yolks. That's pretty neat. So that's what you find in big eggs. What do you find in big eggs?
Okay.
2 yolks usually.
Okay.
Now these are large eggs.
Yeah.
There you go, double yolks.
Yeah, both of them.
Both of them double yolks. The big eggs.
That's cool.
That's pretty neat, huh? Thank you for watching.